Whatever reason you're ready to cancel your Shopify store, whether it be for a failed dropshipping store or wasn't the right fit for you, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can cancel your Shopify subscription. So let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, the first thing you need to do, of course, is head over to shopify.com and log into your account. Once you're logged in, all you need to do is come over to the bottom left hand corner and click on settings. Once you click on settings and you're on the screen, all you need to do now is click plan. It should be under store details, and now all you need to do is hit deactivate store, and it will give you a few options of what you want to do. You can switch to basic yearly, which is a yearly plan, which you probably don't want to do. And next, you can pause your store, which costs $9 a month. If you just want to return to it later, you can keep building your business and working on your store, but the customers cannot check out. And the third option, let's say your store didn't work out, you wanted to try a new strategy, theme, or product, you can deactivate this store and then start up a new one and have it be paying $1 a month for 3 months on the new store. And the fourth and last option is to deactivate your store. This completely deactivates it, but it will store your information for 2 years if you ever want to come back and reactivate it. So to cancel your plan completely, if you don't want to pay the $9 a month, or you don't want to, of course, switch to basic yearly, or don't want to start up a new store, all you need to do is click deactivate store, and then it will ask for the main reason. So just tell them what the main reason it is that you want to deactivate your store, and then hit continue, and then you can check this if you want to, and then hit deactivate store, and your store will be deactivated completely. But one thing I do want to say, if you have any store balances that you have not paid on, you will not be able to close out your store. They will still need you to pay on that. So just remember that before you try to end your store. And on top of this, you need to uninstall apps. So let's say you had different apps for upsells or something that you still are charged to. You want to make sure you uninstall these apps before you close your store, so you can avoid them unnecessary charges for a store that you're not even running no more. So these are 2 things I just want you to remember and make sure you check on before you close your store. So that right there is how you can easily cancel your Shopify subscription. So I hope this video was helpful for you, and I wish you good luck in your online income journey or whatever you're doing. I wish you good luck in it, and until next time.